In the cosmic ballet of galaxies, a grand performance awaits us. Imagine, if you will, the Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies, two colossal spirals of starlight and cosmic dust. Locked in a dance 4 billion years in the making, this isn't fiction, it's a future reality. Our Milky Way is on a collision course with Andromeda. Fear not, for this isn't a calamity but a transformation. In about 4 billion years, these two galaxies will merge into a new elliptical galaxy, a process that will take over 2 billion years to complete. This new creation, fondly named Milkomeda, will be a testament to the ever-evolving cosmos. But don't worry, Earth and our solar system are expected to survive this grand cosmic event. So as we journey through time and space, remember that the universe is not just a space filled with stars and galaxies, it's a stage where galaxies perform a dance billions of years in the making. This is the beauty of our universe. Ever-changing, ever-evolving. This has been a glimpse into the future of the cosmos, a future where the Milky Way and Andromeda become one. Milkomeda,